we are going to be talking about my favorite topic जो है makeup. So all makeup essentials under 699. You can imagine like इतने सारे products हैं यहाँ पर जो rotate हो रहे हैं and all these products that you can see are all under 699 and you must be thinking कि हमेशा मैं ना थोड़ा glam और डेकअप होके आती हूँ तो आज क्या हुआ? Well, आज मैं आपके सामने मेकअप करने वाली हूँ. सो आई एम गोइंग टू बी यूजिंग ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स जो मेरे पास है एंड आई एम गोइंग टू बी रिव्यूइंग देम. आई एम गोइंग टू बी टॉकिंग अबाउट देम. कुछ ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो हम अनबॉक्सिंग करेंगे अभी एंड उसके बारे में लाइक वी विल टॉक एंड डिस्कस एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ लॉट ऑफ फन. व्हाई आर पीपल प्लीज अच्छे कमेंट्स करो सो दैट द life becomes interesting and vibrant. So hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit and आज हम बात करने वाले हैं of all makeup essentials which are under 699 and yes, it is a very interesting topic और makeup of course I know a lot about क्योंकि आप लोगों ने मुझे बहुत सारे shows में देखा होगा and I'm an actor, I'm an influencer and yes, let's not waste more time and hi. So let's start with my first product. Should I wait? I'll have to like start with this product and I can see the numbers go up and please call out. Yes, here you go. First product that I have already clicked on which you can check out is Simply Namka sponge which is amazing. हम like because I know so much about makeup तो मुझे पता है कि कौन सा product like this is a basic necessity of makeup and हम यूजुअली वो बहुत सस्ते वाले स्पॉन्जेस यूज़ करते थे एंड आई वॉज ऑलवेज लुकिंग फॉर समथिंग दैट गिव्स मी अ ग्लैम लुक एंड इज जो मेकअप को इक्वलाइज कर दे. लाइक अभी मैंने इतना सारा बेस नहीं लगाया हुआ है टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट एंड आई एम गोइंग टू बी पुटिंग दैट बेस. हाई गाइज, हाई अनुराग. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस वन राइट हियर. दिस is Simply Namka Velvet Microfiber Makeup Sponge and oh god, I have used it once only and I have loved it. मैंने बहुत सारे brands के try किए हैं but trust me, this is a investment worth making. So this is the sponge. It is made of like microfibers and it is really nice and it really does blend your makeup really well. So this is here on Amazon. It's on a 20% off. अगर आप इनके website से लेंगे तो ये $7.99 का पड़ेगा but on Amazon this is for $6.39 so you end up saving some money which I love doing. So that's the reason I order from Amazon. So yes, this is how it looks. Actually इसका the texture, the feel is amazing and yes, it does help equalizing the makeup and the product that I'm going to be using जो मैं बहुत सालों से यूज़ कर रही हूँ literally 10 साल से ऊपर and I swear by it is this which is your Kryolan ka base. It is very cheap, it is the best. The whole of television industry uses this, like it's a no brainer. इसमें बहुत सारे shades आते हैं. जो मैं लगा रही हूँ वो है FS28, like you can check it out. You will again get it on Amazon. In fact, Amazon में छोटे वाले packs भी available हैं जो आप check out कर सकते हैं and you can buy the smaller sticks. So you just have to put it on like this. You can see it and I'm going to be very fast with it so that it doesn't get boring or whatever. And please guys, never forget to cover your neck. Covering your neck is very important. And now you will see this particular sponge do wonders. Here you go. While I'm talking, I am also doing my makeup and yeah, this is really nice. Garima, you don't even have to think about it. You can just go and buy it. It's like a must-have makeup blender cum sponge. So this side is for your and always remember halka dab karoge and it should blend in. See, like it is blending in really well and I am just doing this dab and there you go, you're done. You can see how simple it is, how easy it is. Oh, thank you Anurag. Yeah, this is really amazing. It's amazing to gift to a friend also and I'm again going to, I've spoken about the Kryolan base and I'm going to be talking about some more bases. So this is one of the must-haves in your makeup bag. No, I just used the stick आपके सामने, and you saw I just literally opened it and dab dab. So it's very very easy, and look how this thing amazingly blends it. कुछ नहीं करना है इसमें, like literally it's a no brainer. Oh, it's difficult to use the stick. How are you doing? It's not at all difficult to use the stick. It's like this, and you just have to rub it like this, and you have to just see this. If the shade is correct. Well, you can see my makeup. I'm clearly not here for that. So yes. Guys, we need to be thoda sa mindful now on what we are writing on a public platform, and there are a lot of other websites available to see cleavages, guys. आप वहाँ जा सकते हैं बिल्कुल. यहाँ पे please log out कर दीजिए. So you know, people write all sorts of nonsense. इतना stupid हो जाता है और embarrassing for somebody who's sitting here trying to talk about makeup. Not trying to, loving talking about makeup actually. So it's amazing. Look at that. Now that you've made me. So it's already done, and it's very simple. And from this product I'm going to just jump into my other product जिसमें मैं ये portion use करने वाली हूँ, and I'm going to be just blending it all in like this, and you will be able to see it. Is this very very amazing La Girl का Pro HD concealer. It's, see, I can show you. I have like 3 of these, and इसका ये जो ये shade है, it's very easy to apply. Like again, you said it's difficult to use the stick, then you can just use that. This is, I've clicked on it, 187 people have reviewed these. You have to just find the right tone and you're good to go. So इसमें 33% off है. It's only for 467, and trust me, ये बहुत लंबा चलता है. So these are the 3 shades that I have here with me, and I've clicked on it. बहुत सारे products हैं, so I'm gonna go like a little fast. So guys, bear with me. Like this one is there. It's perfect to conceal your dark circles, and it is really nice. And there you go. Thoda sa here. No, it doesn't have a fragrance. It just doesn't have a fragrance. It's just fragrance free, and this is how it looks. I am using the honey one, I think. No, the pure beige is what I'm using. ये pure beige actually goes in most of the Indian skin tone, because मेरी जो skin tone है वो बहुत ही, you know, regular skin tone है. So yes, it really goes well. And see how well this particular sponge is blending it in. So there you go. Thank you, Anur. That is so sweet of you to write that. Thank you for the compliment. And of course, I will give you attention. You don't have to write something stupid to get my attention. अगर आप कुछ अच्छा भी लिखेंगे तो भी आपको मैं attention दूंगी. And I'm actually here to talk about these products. And किसी के कोई doubts हो और किसी को कोई question पूछना हो तो you can always ask me. देखो, जिसको interest नहीं है वो वापस जा सकता है. So you know, you can just log out from here. There is no problem at all. But I'm loving what I'm doing, and all the people who are watching me. Let's interact. खूब सारी बातें करते हैं. हिंदी में बोलूँगी, कोई problem नहीं है मुझे हिंदी बोलने में, बल्कि मेरी I'm from North India, तो मेरी हिंदी अच्छी खासी है. It's just that कि you know, you can see it's blended all in, so we are good, and it's gone, it's done. Now I am going to be, see, इसी से किया मैंने. From here you just do this, and this is amazing, and it is done. So yeah, good to go. Now ये जो product है ये मैंने किसी और brand का use किया हुआ है. So this is the one that I've ordered from Lotus, and I'm going to be marking it super soon. Now guys, I've shown you this product which is from La Girl Pro Concealer. इसका एक और चीज़ है, I will show that to you, which is this dark brown one. बहुत से लोग wonder करते होंगे क्यों, but this is basically to give more definition to your face. Like you can see मैंने side में लगाया है. I've put it here and I'm putting it here. So, and I am again going to just blend it all in from this side, so that you know, you will actually, like, अगर आप मेरा screenshot लोगे before after का, after the live, you will see me as a different human being altogether. That's how, you know, you just have to dab, 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 and you are good to go. So it's really nice. Oh, today because I felt like green today. आज मन कर रहा था green पहनने का, इसलिए मैंने पहन लिया green. ये कैसे? So this is for, you know, just giving more definition अपने face को अगर आपको कुछ cut देना है, so this is for that, and it does the job well. And again, I've used this. Oh, thank you Akshay. I think it's really important. Actually, my skin type is really dry, and I'm very happy कि आपने इतना अच्छा सवाल पूछा है, because for dry skin, again, these two brands are very good, which is your La Pro ka concealers are very good for under your eye, and in fact even Krylon is a very, very good brand for dry skin. So yes, knowing about the skin is also very important. So dry to combination skin, this is really good. Of course हम television में use करते हैं ये brands, तो you know ये बहुत long lasting है. I have personally worn Krylon for like more than 20 hours at a stretch और कुछ नहीं होता. You just dab it again in और वो वापस blend हो जाता है. So that is the reason you kind of use these brands. So now let's move to the other products super quick. Otherwise we'll not be able to finish सारे amazing products. Let me go back. Here I go. And this is the one. ये मैंने एक फ्रेंड को देखा था यूज करते हुए, ना लाइक ये क्या है, बिकॉज ये वाइट कलर का है ना, लाइक ये कैसे, यू नो, ये तो फेस को वाइट कर देगा, बट ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. लोटस ऑल्सो हैज दिस एंड इट्स अ नाइस कलर. इट्स लाइक अ वाइटिश टोन एंड इसका एक वाइट भी आता है. दिस इज प्योर रेडियंस बेसिकली, लाइट चोको, एंड दिस इज वॉट यू हैव टू डैब ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट. और इसके साथ यू नो इफ यू जो हमेशा इसके साथ वो आते हैं उससे बेटर है यू यूज़ दीज. दिस इज़ ऑन 8% ऑफ. इट्स ओनली फॉर $350 एंड ये बहुत ही अब तो पुरानी मेकअप की दुकान लग रही हो. नो स्ट्रेस. 4 पीसेस के ये है अवेलेबल. एक्सपीरियंस ओल्ड इज गोल्ड. सो दिस इज द puffs that you need actually for makeup, and it does the job, and you have to just kind of put it in like this. ये सारे I've marked it here. You can order it from Amazon. It is a fab product to have. This is really nice. See, this lotus ka thing is also very nice. See, you can see now my dark circles are, I think, all covered. My face has this definition which is looking fabulous, and this is, I will like highly recommended. 189 people have reviewed it. It has a 4-star. It is on a 8% off. This is Lotus, so it's all herbal makeup. It's a safer brand to go to, and it's not very expensive. बहुत सस्ता है, तो you can easily like kind of, you know, spend on it. So yeah, this is my other product. Another thing that is very important is the brush that you use for your eyebrows. Like here, it's only for 64 rupees. It's on a 72% off. And again, this I've ordered from Amazon. I swear by it. ये amazing product है, and it is very important to have something like this, you know, for your basic makeup. You can imagine, just imagine, मैं अब मैं कौन सा आई शेडो पैलेट भी यूज़ करूँ ये भी मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ बहुत जल्द. So just imagine, my hand is so set. A lot of people used to say कि how can you do your makeup like this? I can do my makeup like this. It's not distracting. It's very easy. Yes. Very good. Akshay is actually asking up, are you planning to buy makeup for your wife? Then the quality of this Lotus concealer is really good. Actually आप मेरे कार्ट में ना जो मैंने डाला है वो सारा used है, reviewed है, and ये सारे मेरे must have picks में से है, जो सब कुछ is under 699. तो आप बिना सोचे समझे वो सारी चीज़ें ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. If your wife's or your girlfriend's skin tone is like my skin tone, then it's a no-brainer. Again, this was the brush that I showed you guys. This is again from Amazon. This is an angular brush बोलते हैं इसको, and ये eyebrows के लिए बहुत important है. And I think eyebrows is very important. Like see, sometimes we have these patches now. It's very important to kind of cover that also, especially when you're in front of the camera. So yes, iske baad let's quickly jump into this Maybelline New York का nudes का छोटा सा palette which is amazing. बहुत ही अच्छा palette है ये. क्यों, ये मैं आपको बताऊंगी. पहली बात तो it is on a 39% discount. 6,074 people have reviewed it. Hi guys, I am Pranita Pandit. I can see the numbers go up and we are talking about must-have makeups under 699. तो so much fun. Look at the shades. ये सारे nudes के shade है और like I showed you guys, मैं अपने eyebrows करी थी तो I was using this brown which also आप अपना eye socket करने के लिए use कर सकते हैं. ये सारे colors use हो सकते हैं eye shadows. और इसमें एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग शेड है जो इस पैलेट को बहुत अमेजिंग बना देता है. विच इज़ द बेस्ट टू शेड्स आर दिस ब्राउन एंड दिस वाइट, क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ होता है. प्लस इतने सारे शेड्स, इतनी अच्छी क्वालिटी. Maybelline इज़ अ ब्रांड दैट वी ऑल नो ऑफ. सो मेनी पीपल हैव रिव्यूड इट. 40% ऑफ पे है. बहुत से लोगों को डाउट होता है कि अमेजोन पे कहीं ओरिजिनल मिलता है या नहीं. इट्स ऑल ओरिजिनल. आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम हियर is from Amazon, so it's all original. You'll be able to make out. हमेशा reviews पढ़े, seller के बारे में पढ़े, stars देखें. Automatically you'll know if the product is nice or it's not nice. तो there you go. So this is the palette. Now इसमें एक चीज़ है जो मैं use करने वाली हूँ for जो आप magic देखोगे. Is this white, right? You see this white? This one, like I was talking about. Why is this? Because this will go here right now and here you go. Oh I know यार, सिर्फ अगर पतंजलि से काम चल रहा होता ना तो मेकअप की सेल्स इतनी हाई नहीं होती यार. I completely understand where you coming from. My husband, मेरे हस्बैंड ये कहते हैं इतना सारा मेकअप बट इतना सारा नहीं है यार, बहुत कम है. इट्स वेरी लेस एंड वी इंजॉय इट यार. लेट अस बी. हमें वो सारी चीज़ें करनी चाहिए जो हमें करने में मज़ा आ रहा है, राइट? हमेशा डिक्टेशन दोगे कि नेचुरल रहो. अरे वी आर नेचुरल ओनली. दिस इज नेचुरल ब्यूटी विथ सम एड-ऑन्स. सो हाय गाइस, आई एम प्रणीता पंडित एंड वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मस्ट हैव मेकअप एसेंशियल्स अंडर 699. सो यस, नाउ व्हिच आई शैडो शुड आई पिक? जल्दी से बताओ कौन सा वाला आई शैडो. कोई जल्दी से बताएगा तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज आई एम गोना पिक माय चॉइस. जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी. Okay, I think I will just go ahead with the pink. You can see this nice pink is here and look at that. Oh, eyeshadows की बात करते करते एक और amazing आई रिलेटेड चीज़ याद आ गई मुझे, जो मैं आपको शोकेस करने वाली हूँ अभी, जो आई थिंक मुझे अभी दिखा देना चाहिए आपको. विच इज़ पिगमेंट्स. आई शेडोज़ बहुत सारे टाइप्स के आते हैं. सो ये नॉर्मल नेचुरल आई शेडो पैलेट है जो आप अपने डेली वेयर या ऑफिस जा रहे हैं तो यूज़ कर सकते हैं. विच इज़ नॉट वेरी लाउड बट समटाइम्स हमको पार्टी के लिए तैयार होना होता है एंड वी वॉन्ट something which is little more glamorous and I love it. वो है ये pigment. So there you go. Check it out. I will show it to you. Pigments बहुत सारे colors और shades में आते हैं. This one is Swiss Beauty is another one and this is the Magic Professional one. Look at the pigment and glitter. मैं तो डर डर के खोलती हूँ because just look at this. This is one of my favorites actually. It's so good. Just look at that. Just look at this. Can you see? थोड़ा सा wait. ये glitter है. So if you need some pigment and this is the one. Like मैं थोड़ा सा use करने वाली हूँ because then of course I don't have to go for a party but I'm just getting ready. And you will see all the difference in my face. आपको दिख रहा है ना difference? This eye and this eye. This is amazing. Actually, it is amazing. In fact, आप ब्रश से भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, हाथ से भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Doesn't matter. This is a brush. Brush set भी है यहाँ पर. This entire set of 5 pigments are available on Amazon for $345. It's on a 30% off. 10 reviews है, 4 stars है. So सोचने की बात नहीं है. Let's just do it. Let me put this one on and show you guys. It is really nice. And कोई और प्रोडक्ट यहाँ पे अगर आप देख रहे हैं and you want me to जो मैंने नई बात करी है, आप चाहते हो कि मैं फटाफट उस बारे में बता दूँ या उस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बता दूँ, तो you can always tell me right now, right here. Thank you so much, अनुराग. परफेक्ट. इसमें से भी कुछ फेवरेट चूज कर लो पुनीत. So yeah, there you go. Here you go, and I am done with my little glittery eyeshadow, which looks like this. You want me to come close? I will come close and show you my makeup later. But yeah, this is how it looks right now. And there you go. Oopsie doopsie. It's done. और ये है वो pigment. It's yummy. It's really nice. Okay, now eyes and lips are a must. You know, मेरा face इतना डल सा क्यों लग रहा है? Because ना मैंने मस्कारा लगाया है और ना मैंने सबसे important चीज़ लगाई है, वो है lipstick. And I think that is so important, right? अच्छा, actually, you know, this is so refreshing because you can just keep dabbing it. Brown and white. Okay, brown and white. What brown and white, Gauri? You have to tell me exactly. But let's quickly run into the lipstick bit. And now I'm going to show you something which is very interesting. और ये बहुत amazing deal में available है on Amazon, which is your lip liners. Like मैंने पहले भी बोला हुआ है एक live में, where lip liners are very very important, and this entire box you get for like 12 lip liners are available for 479, which is nothing. 4,935 people have reviewed it. Apart from me, it's on a 40% off, and this will give you the right kind of shape that you require. Look at that. I'm just, you see how the tone of like how my face has completely changed by just putting the lip liner. So this is the lip liner that I'm using from Swiss Beauty. You can see I have used them all. There are amazing shades available, and you can just go and pick it up. बहुत लोग लिपस्टिक्स में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. I always tell them, यार एक अच्छा लिप लाइनर is a must. Thank you, Anurag. I love it. जब दो तीन लोग होते हैं on my live and जो they are kind of talking to me and commenting, and now that we are now from the lips, I'm straight gonna again run into my eyes because my eyes are looking blank. So what is the most important thing for your eyes? No, it doesn't have fragrance, guys. ये इसमें कोई fragrance नहीं है. ये natural है, and eyes के लिए सबसे important है a very good mascara. So there you go. ये रहा Maybelline का mascara, which has been reviewed by 16,478 people. So hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit. I'm an actor, influencer, a new mom, and today I am talking about makeup under $6.99, must have makeup essentials. So let's run into the mascara. I'm just gonna put this box back. It's looking pretty. I've just kind of set it up. This entire thing also I bought from Amazon, by the way. वो मेरे previous lives में available होगा, so you can check it out from there. Look at that. अच्छा, एक चीज़ मैं आपको टिप देना चाहूँगी. जब भी आप मस्कारा चूज़ करें, always you choose these with this bristle, not जो वो अलग वाले bristles होते हैं ना, जैसे कि टूथब्रश का होता है सिंथेटिक वाला. नहीं, always use one with these bristles. It really does a good job. मैंने बहुत बार नोटिस किया है. Picking the right mascara is very important. In fact, मैं Lancome का ये मस्कारा लेती थी, and I used to spend like 2,000-2,500 on that, and then I found this. I was like, wow. जब same चीज़ आपको 639 में मिल रही है, why will you spend like so much? Can you see the difference between both the eyes? कितना massive है. Oh my god, this mascara is fabulous. I didn't know that. That's why I've got it. But हमेशा नीचे की तरफ अप्लाई करें पहले, and then upwards. So yeah, you know the difference. You can see it. Oh yes, absolutely. Actually, Anurag, you can. I'm glad you're watching it. I think you're watching it for your sister. But काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें इसमें ना, like जो pigment मैंने दिखाया था आपको, वो भी आप खरीद सकते हो, because bridal के लिए it looks beautiful. वो यूज़ ही वो करते हैं. And this mascara is a must have because it makes all the difference to your face. And हमेशा नीचे वाले lashes में भी mascara लगा लेना चाहिए, guys, please. I'm a lefty, so I can do these things. So You can see how beautiful this mascara is. Just, oh my god, this is your Maybelline new collection that's come out, which is called Sky High Sensational Lashes, and I think that is what it is. And I'm gonna come closer to you and show you the mascara, how good it is. It was a little odd, but actually kabhi kabhi na itni dur se pata nahi chalta, so I was like, let me just come close. And yeah, this is the pigment. The mascara has just done the job. I think I need a good lipstick. So let's run into the lipstick, which is one of my favorites. जब मुझे कुछ खास lip color लगाने का मन नहीं करता, then I use this Renica Madness, which is black in color, but actually ये black नहीं है. See? Oh, can you see the color change? Let me highlight it for you, ताकि आप देख सकते हैं किस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. It's on a 10% off, and ये बहुत हाइड्रेटिंग है. It has pH 5.5 I think, so it kind of gives you that little color plus that glam. Talking about lipstick, let me keep this lipstick थोड़े टाइम के लिए, then I'm going to change my lipstick. So but आप एक चीज़ और मिस कर रहे हैं जो मैं मिस कर रही हूँ अपने फेस में, which is actually nice highlighter बोलो, blusher बोलो, on the glow blusher बोलो. And I had got these. This is like literally a thing that जो मैं अपने बैग में रखती हूँ. Like sometimes आप कभी जा रहे हो, you're in a rush and you forget your blusher. This is a must have. It's a highlighter blusher. I will just highlight it for you. I am going super fast because मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं सारे products जो मैं लेकर आई हूँ मैं सारे review कर दूँ, and we talk about all. But if I go slow, I'll not be able to do that. So let me rush into where are you? Where are you? No, you are not the one. Wait, let me go. Yeah, it's on a deal. It's on a 38% off. It's only for 617 rupees. And again, देखिए, it's very nice. It's very good to carry. And it does the job. Oh wow, yeah. You see this? I'm sure everyone who's watching this live and loves makeup will love it. एक हल्का सा पतला सा शीट निकालना है इसमें से, and that's it, and you're done. Oh my god, am I not taking it out correct? Because you know how to use it is very, very easy. This is how it looks. It's a highlighter, and look at that. Can you see that? आपको बस ये करना है, that's it. And you're good. You're good to go. Highlighter थोड़ा सा नोज पे भी लगा लेना चाहिए. Kind of gives a little good finish to your face. So इसको मैं यहाँ पे भी करके दिखाती हूँ. You can see how nice it's looking and glowing. So this is the paper. This is like a on-the-go highlighter, which is fab. Just in case you forget your blusher, you keep this. And also Drommen and Coca, there are these blotting papers that you get, like जिनकी skin बहुत ज़्यादा like you know oily है, उनके लिए it's a must have. So guys, here I'm going to click on that as well. This is there's a blotting paper and there's a cotton pad that you get. These things are also all available. It's all on 34% off. It's on deal of the day, so you don't have to really think much. And again, cotton pads are like, oh, they are very, very good, and it's essential to have, like especially when you're taking off your makeup. So we will talk about this cotton pad when I am taking my makeup off, which I'm gonna do today, and I'm gonna show you something. So this is the one, and now I think my face is looking better. And now we're going to quickly go into, कभी भी लगे कि हल्का ज़्यादा हो गया makeup, तो just dab it with a nice cotton pad like this. Yeah. Quickly gonna go into the other lipstick shade, which is again Renee, or you want me to talk about Just Herbs? Let me tell me which one. Quickly. I am gonna. Oh, lashes भी है मेरे पास. So let me tell you about Just Herbs first. Now that वो पहले दिख गया मुझे, so this is from Just Herbs. It's really nice. It's on a 31% off. It's only for 516 rupees. Hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit, and today we are talking about makeup essentials under 699. It's a very natural nude shade. That looks nice on me. And एक और हैक बताऊं, कभी भी लगे that you want more blusher, just take some lipstick, dab it like this, and you're good to go. Dab it. This live is really going to end up very, very close to my face with all, like, you know, details you want to see, in the sense that, you know, how the makeup is looking. Kabhi you know लगता है दूर से, but this is what it is. So this is Just Herbs, which I've actually used on my cheeks and lips both. Let me come closer. You see the shine? You see my lashes are looking so pretty. So yeah, let me stop looking at myself. Also, I have marked some, these of course are from Renee Nudes. I will just very quickly run through them. These are pop up. They're like 5 shades in one. Sometimes you're traveling and you want to change your lipstick and you want one lipstick, आपको 4 lipstick नहीं डालने अपने bag में, then you can just, you can just go for this. And this is also on a good deal on Amazon. It's on a 20% off, which is amazing. It's 5-in-1 lipstick. I had the mixed lipsticks. It's really nice. It's natural, nothing much. You can just pop, and a new one comes right here. So yeah, you don't know about the product, but I'm here for you. Haha. Of course I know about the product. You kidding? If I don't know about makeup, I don't know किसको पता होगा, because 12 साल जब आप you know काम करते हो and you put makeup on your face every day, you actually know everything about makeup. And the fact that I have done my makeup for so many years, like, all the knowledge is right there. So this is Renee's 5-in-1 lipstick, which is also an amazing, you know, product to have in your bag, because you don't have to carry 5 lipsticks. It's a good one to go with. Like I said, this, just see, this is a nice, amazing blender. Now let's quickly go and add some shine. So these are some lip glosses that I got from Renee again. It's only for 229 rupees. It's called See Me Shine. The peach one is my favorite because natural hair, amazing hair, and looks nice. So ये रहा, ये 15% off पे है, तो सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. It will add that. Shine to your lips. So again, I'm going to come closer, and yeah, it's super hydrating. The quality is really good. मैंने ये 3 महीने पहले ऑर्डर किया था और मैं बहुत मल्टीपल टाइम्स यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ. कभी कभी बिना लिपस्टिक के भी I just take the gloss and I put it on. प्लस एक ऐसी चीज़ है मेरे पास जिसकी मैं बात करने वाली हूँ, जो मैं लगाने नहीं वाली हूँ क्योंकि मेरा मस्कारा इज़ ओनली सो गुड. बट ये भी एक चीज़ है दैट यू कैन ऑलवेज कीप इन योर बैग इज लैशेज. सो लैशेज आर योर 103 रुपीज़ में अवेलेबल है ऑन 20% ऑफ. 555 पीपल हैव रिव्यूड इट. सो अमेजिंग है. दीज आर स्विस ब्यूटी के आई लैशेज, बहुत नेचुरल, बहुत थिन. चलो लगा ही लेती हूँ. एंड but then this is like, you know, when you're going for a party or something. No, I don't have the glue. I'm not going to put this lash, but this is how the lash looks. I'm not up for to show you. मैं लगा रही हूँ, but see that adds too much glamour to my face. But for a photo shoot it looks nice and all, but not on a daily basis. So this is यही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. But yeah, these lashes, अगर आप ढूंढ रहे हैं lashes and you don't know कौन सा खरीदना है, then you can just go for the Swiss Beauty one. बढ़िया है, अच्छा है, लाइट है, बहुत ज़्यादा थिक नहीं है, तो बहुत ज़्यादा फेक और एक्सेसिव नहीं लगता है. एंड there you go. Oh, I forgot to talk about this here. Let me put some things back so that जब आप देखो तो अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें देखने को मिले. ये वाला जो सेक्शन है हम बाद में बात करेंगे. तो ये रहा मामा अर्थ का न्यूड ग्लो. नाउ आई गिव यू, ये मैं अनबॉक्स कर रही हूँ आपके सामने. दिस आई हैव, दिस इज़ द शेड. एक्चुअली एक और टिप दूंगी विच इज़ दैट कभी भी ना आप मेकअप या कंसीलर या कॉम्पैक्ट ऑर्डर कर रहे हो, ऑलवेज ऑर्डर वन शेड डार्कर टू योर टोन. अगर स्पेशली आप कैमरे के सामने पतले दिखना चाहते हो और हॉट दिखना चाहते हो, टू एड दैट लिटिल ग्लैमर, सफ़ेद होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. लाइक इफ़ यू सी ऑल द एक्टर्स ऑल्सो, आप नोटिस करोगे, बी एट दीपिका, बी एट बिपाशा बासु, दे ऑलवेज गो अ टोन डार्कर. सो अगर आपका बहुत फेयर हो, सो जो भी कलर आप हो, आपको एक टोन डार्क यूज़ करना चाहिए. इट विल ऑलवेज एड वैल्यू. नाउ दिस वन इज़ अ नाइस वन. द टेक्स्चर फील्स नाइस. भाई बढ़िया है. या oh, I can see myself up and close, so I'm liking it. Wow. Oh my god, now lipstick is, so there you go. This is a Mama Earth. I am just gonna mark it here jaldi se. Where did you go, yeah? Here. Oh my god, it's on a 10% off. It's for 449 rupees. It's on deal of the day. So this is the one with vitamin C. Vitamin C is really good for your skin. And kabhi kabhi, you don't have to put so much base. आप हल्का सा compact लगा के भी you can just head for the day, and it just kind of adds that natural tone to you, which is nice. I think I should just lipstick is something which is looking a little dark to me. So देखो लिपस्टिक गिरी गया. मैंने बात करी लिपस्टिक की तो आई एम गोइंग लिटिल नीडिश. So yes, these are my products. These are my favorite picks, and I am see, this shade is nude. This is from Rene and it is looking so nice and natural. I'm loving looking at myself. Sorry. See, मेरे को लग रहा था कि मेरा वो Just Herbs वाला lipstick is like looking very dark right now, because हर occasion के लिए अलग lipstick है. Like you need at least 20 lipsticks in your bag. ऐसा मुझे लगता है. बट अगर आपके पास दो भी हो और ऐसे हो, so they're equivalent to 20. तो इसीलिए again I'll mark it. You can just go check it out. If I'm missing anything, let me know. Yeah, this is the one that I've just put. See how I came and how I am looking now. इतना बड़ा difference तो आपको दिख ही गया होगा. तो yes, oh my god, some products are here, right here. ओहो, एक और बहुत छोटी सी चीज़ है but बहुत important है, जो आप अपने कार्ट पे डाल सकते हैं, which is a sharpener. Like हम इतने सारे ये काजल हो या lip pencil हो, we're talking about it. Hi there, Utsav, sorry. You need a very good sharpener. So this one is really nice. And for thicker pencils, like some people use concealers, तो उसके लिए इसमें thicker वाला है और thin वाला भी है. I am just going to mark it. Please, ये इसमें भी मैंने दो options दिए हैं, एक Shampoo का है और एक Lakme का है. The one I have is the Shampoo one. That's for 276, but उतनी महंगे की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Even the Lakme one is good enough. That's why I added. बल्कि Lakme वाले में like 4.5 stars है. 1619 people have reviewed it, so of course it's an amazing product. And yes, this is like a must have. और एक बहुत amazing चीज़ है जो मैंने last के लिए बचा के रखी है, क्योंकि कुछ तो exciting रखना ही था. Okay, brush sets के बारे में तो बात ही नहीं किया. There is also an amazing brush set available, guys, on Amazon, जो मैंने order किया है और use किया है, because अगर आप एक बिकॉज हमने ब्लशर वो वाला हाईलाइटर वाला लगा लिया था, तो ब्रश दैट इज दिस. यू नीड अ ब्रश लाइक दिस. ओके, फ्री, ऑलमोस्ट फ्री है देवेंद्र, बहुत सस्ते में अवेलेबल है. डिस्काउंट चल रहा है. जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं दैट आर ऑल अंडर 699, तो आप चेकआउट कर सकते हो. एंड दिस वन फील्स रियली गुड एंड इट इज़ अ रियली नाइस वन टू हैव ऑन योर सेट. I'm actually just going to take my highlighter, scrub it on it, and then I'm going to just put some. So this is a brush that is there. It's for 219 rupees only and it's available on a 63% off. अगर आपको सिर्फ ये brush चाहिए आप ये order कर सकते हो. There is another one which is on Amazon brand which is also amazing, which is for 188 rupees and it's on a 68% off. और because 5-6 brushes हैं जो must have हैं. एक ब्लशर ब्रश, एक आई शैडो ब्रश एंड एक यू नीड दिस फॉर योर आईब्रो. लाइक आई सेड बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये ब्रश. एंड दिस इज़ अ मल्टीपर्पज़, लाइक जो मैंने यहाँ पे यूज़ किया था फॉर अदर थिंग्स लाइक अबव योर अंडर योर आईब्रो. एंड इवन दिस कैन बी यूज एज अ लिपस्टिक ब्रश अगर कुछ लोग प्रेफर करते हैं. और एक अमेजिंग सेट अवेलेबल है ऑन अमेजॉन जो 2091 लोगों ने बाय करा हुआ है यहाँ से एंड रिव्यू किया हुआ है, विच इज ओनली अवेलेबल फॉर 175 rupees. That is right here. I don't feel like taking off my makeup, guys, but I will take it off. Is for 175. Wow. And it has 4 stars. It's on a 71% off. You guys need a brush set. So instead of ordering 200-300 रुपए के अलग अलग, इट्स बेटर दैट आप पूरा एक किट ऑर्डर कर लो जिसमें आपके 5-6 ब्रशेज आ जाते हैं एंड इट डज द जॉब. दिस इज ऑल्सो फॉर ब्लेंडिंग. तो ब्रशेज पे हम एक पूरा सेशन कर सकते हैं एक्चुअली. कौन सा ब्रश कैसे यूज करना चाहिए, कौन सा अच्छा है, आई मेकअप पे कर सकते हैं. एंड यू गाइज टेल मी व्हाट यू गाइज वांट टू टॉक अबाउट. ओह ऑफ कोर्स राजीव, हाउ कैन आई नॉट रिमेंबर यू. So yes, oh no, you're not at the wrong place. You can buy things for your family members, your wife, and there you go. इतनी सारी चीज़ें लिस्ट करी और एक अमेजिंग चीज़ जिसके बारे में बताने वाली हूँ जस्ट बिफोर आई एंड माई लाइफ. ओके, मेकअप रिमूवर इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लाइक आई सेड, ये है गार्नियर का मेकअप रिमूवर एंड I have marked it here. I really like it. It really helps remove makeup. Blotting paper पे like I'll show you guys. मैं यहाँ पे ये लगाया हुआ है. I can put my base on this. Simple तरीका है actually. Just put your mascara on like that. जो भी चीज़ मस्कारे को निकाल सकते हैं ना, it's good. So that's my mascara, and this is the one. And there you go. हमेशा शेक कर लो बिकॉज दिस हैज सम ऑयल, सो दैट्स व्हाई इट्स लाइक इट्स गॉन. इट डज द जॉब एंड आई एम यूजिंग. आई डोंट वांट टू टेक आउट माय मेकअप. नो, आई एम नॉट गोना टेक इट आउट. सो दिस इज हाउ आई लुक नाउ एंड वी आर गोइंग टू गो टू दिस अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट विच इज दिस. अब सोचोगे छोटा सा टावल ये क्या करता है, बट दिस इज मैजिकल. दिस actually once you wet it you can take off your entire makeup, like eye makeup, everything comes off. And it has 2 sides. One is this side to use as a scrubber to exfoliate, and this is the side that helps you take out the makeup. So like again I am going to do some testing for you because abhi you have to basically wet it completely and then take it out. Just order it, it will make your life really easy. कभी कभी you're traveling and you forget. कभी कभी आप ट्रैवल कर रहे होते हो, आप भूल जाते हो कि क्या क्या चीज़ें कैरी की है, मेकअप रिमूवर ही नहीं है. ओ शिट. सो दिस इज़ समथिंग जो आपके बैग में हमेशा होना चाहिए अगर आपने मेकअप लगाया हुआ है, तो आप ताकि उसको 1 मिनट के अंदर अच्छे से निकाल सके. सो आई एम गोना मार्क इट हियर. इट इज़ 1 piece. इट्स ओनली अवेलेबल फॉर 429. तो ओह, लेट मी पुट समथिंग ऑन माई हैंड एंड आई विल शो यू हाउ दिस वर्क्स. ये रहा. मैं अभी मेकअप नहीं निकालना चाहती. मुझे क्लिक सम पिक्चर्स एंड देन आई एम गोना. दिस इज हियर. दिस इज दैट पिगमेंट glitter. I've added this also on my hand. Then I'm gonna add some lipstick on my hand. Oopsie, oh, I don't want to waste my lipstick also. But and I'm gonna add some base on my hand. ये देख लो इतना सारा. And I am going to take this all out in no time with this. And I thought mascara is a must have, क्योंकि mascara जो makeup निकाल सकता है ना, makeup remover, वो makeup remover अच्छा ही होता है. So you see my hand, it's like filthy. So I am just going to take this little hanky. So of course ये Garnier वाला I keep it at home to remove my makeup, but this one thing I always keep, because पानी एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो आपको हर जगह मिल जाती है. All you have to do is just wet it and wipe, और कुछ नहीं करना है. ये रहा. Just do this. See, just see this. Please look at that. It's all gone. Okay guys, so it's time. See how easily my lipstick came off. But it's time for me also to go. So thank you guys. It was Pranita Pandit and we were talking about all makeup essentials under $6.99. I hope you guys enjoyed this session and you can come up close, and I am going to end this live closer. My lipstick is gone because I just took it out, but that's my entire makeup that I did. Why didn't I open my hair? I think I should have done that. Oops, it adds a lot of. So yeah guys, so I'm Pranita Pandit and we spoke about must-haves under $6.99. This is how it is. This is my little tray and I am going to see you guys super soon. So take care and enjoy yourself. Have a good night and bye-bye.